barricades around the Supreme Court building in Washington, D.C. as a leaked draft opinion shows the court is on the path to overturn Roe v. Wade. Politico is reporting the court's majority decision after getting a hold of the draft opinion Justice Samuel Alito wrote, dating back to last February.
According to Politico, the 98-page draft includes 31 pages of state abortion laws as reference, all detailing why the Supreme Court is striking down the landmark case granting the right to an abortion and a follow-up 1992 case in Planned Parenthood v. Casey. According to the document Politico has, Justice Alito writes in part, quote, "We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled. The Constitution makes no reference to abortion and no such right is implicitly protected by any constitutional provision, including the one on which the defenders of Roe and Casey now chiefly rely." Politico reports Justices Clarence Thomas, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett voted with Alito. Meantime, Justices Stephen Breyer, Sonia Sotomayor, and Elena Kagan are working on at least one dissenting opinion. The draft does not include opinions from other justices, given it's technically a work in progress. In another part of the draft, Alito writes in part, quote, "Roe was egregiously wrong from the start. Its reasoning was exceptionally weak, and the decision has had damaging consequences. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives."
Now, Supreme Court opinion drafts can and do change, with justices even changing their votes until the opinions are finalized and published. Also of note, this leak is historic in and of itself. Politico reports this is the first time a draft opinion for a pending case has gone public. Meantime, as you can imagine, social media is starting to fill reactions to the draft all over Twitter, Facebook, and such. Beginning with Planned Parenthood right here saying, "To be clear, this is a draft opinion. It's outrageous. It's unprecedented, but it is not final. Abortion is your right, and it is still legal." Now, getting local here, Congresswoman Sarah Jacobs saying, "As one of the very few women of reproductive age in Congress, I know what a gut punch this decision would be to our freedom to control our own bodies. This is what it looks like when our institutions protect archaic rules above everything else." And our very own Mayor Todd Gloria also jumping in, saying, "If tonight's news reports are accurate, it appears our worst fears about this SCOTUS may come true, and women will be robbed of the constitutional right to exercise control over their bodies. If Roe v. Wade is overturned, we must do all we can to secure reproductive rights." Going on to say just a little bit more as well. Reaction has been pouring in, again, from people on all sides of this issue. Of course, here at CBS 8, they will stay in developing story on this.